Nusantara carries Indonesia's ambition for balanced development, shifting from rapid, unchecked urbanization to a model where future metropolises harmonize with nature. Using evolutionary planning, we aim to gradually restore forests, delineate the buildable area on the existing development footprint to continue the collective memory, consider a variety of factors, and determine 6 development cores. Using parametric software, crowd diffusion is simulated from these cores, naturally forming subcenters. Ultra-high-speed transport links IKN with Balikpapan and Samarinda, creating an intensive urban belt. New land use laws, under low-cost conditions, support 70% natural forest coverage in the process of increasing immigration. Immigrants gain land use discounts by cultivating forests and plantations. Vertical agriculture ensures food supply, and modular construction achieves population growth and land efficiency. Bottom-up community co-construction promotes efficient land use and forest restoration. To counter capital-driven exploitation, habitat resources are integrated into the capital value cycle. 3-level market and green securities digitize and price habitat assets. Stakeholders, including communities and investors, benefit from habitat appreciation. Environmental improvement drives urban development. Vacuum capsules and low-altitude aircraft will dominate regional transport, supported by green corridors, transforming IKN into a cloud city. Green wedge spaces and a central green island form the ecological spine of the village island city, while geothermal energy ensures IKN becomes a net zero city. Young professionals gather at the Creative Research Center on the Circular Cloud Corridor, fostering innovation and making IKN an innovative city. Nusantara becomes a manifesto for urban forest mutualism, celebrated not for skyscrapers, but for its lush forest canopies.